All right, my friends, Andrew here once again, and in this short video, we're going to be talking about Messenger Pro's Engage feature and how it will help you automate your call to action posts in your personal profile, in groups that you're a member of, and fan pages that your personal... No, it's not fan pages, Drew. What are you talking about? All right, my friends, Andrew here once again, and in this short video, we're going to be talking about Messenger Pro's Engage feature and how it's going to allow you to automate your engagement posts on your personal profile or in groups that you're a member of. Using Messenger Pro's Engagement feature, you're going to be able to keep track of your engagement and call to action posts very efficiently from one dashboard, as you'll be able to see right here. We'll go into the application and show you this in just a moment, but this is actually kind of how it's going to look. You'll be able to keep track of every post that you have created that has a call to action. And what we mean by call to action posts, you've seen those posts on Facebook where a person has to comment a keyword, and of course then you would reply back to them with some information about what it is that you are sharing related to that post. Now, Messenger Pro with the Engage feature allows you to automate this while at the same time keep track of all of the posts that you have created both on your personal profile and in the group. So it's a huge time saver when you are using it. And as an example here, we're going to go over here to Facebook. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to go to my Facebook profile, cruise on down the wall here, and you're going to see the post that we have here in the actual article that I was using for this Engage feature. And you'll see right here, if we just kind of open this up, you'll see I don't really post much about this. I'll let you guys read this if you choose to, but you can see right here, comment 9 steps below if you want to learn more about our proven system. And all you have to do to automate this post is just simply click on this and you'll see the engagement feature set up right here. And in the application itself, you'll be able to create a tag related to your engagement post or posts if you have a specific niche that you're going to be working. You can see my 9 steps tag is actually right here. And then in here, you'll see that we have some message segments. We have our direct message segments, our 9 steps link, our comments, and our no keyword comments. Don't worry about these looking a little bit intricate. We actually have a share code for you that's going to give you this framework for your engagement feature. The important part is that you are a premium user of Messenger Pro. If you're a basic user, you won't have access to this feature. So you'll need to upgrade in order to get that to work for you. But in this 9 steps here, you'll be able to see that the comments actually down here on the post are actually being replied to by the automated system. Now, the automated system itself is going to help your post get more reach, more engagement by showing it to more people inside of Facebook's ecosystem. Because they're engaging with the post, the more engagement the post gets, the more Facebook shows it to more and more people. And this is going to automate that process. Another really cool feature of benefit of the Messenger Pro engagement feature is the ability to keep track of your engagement posts right here. So you can see that I have 2 of them at the time of creating this video. I have a free software post and then I have a 9 steps post. And I can automate these just by clicking this play button. It'll automatically search those posts for the keywords and reply to them accordingly. So there's 2 different ways that it's going to reply to a person. You'll notice that a person either comments with a keyword or they just comment generally. That will give the software the ability to determine what type of message to share with that person. On our post here, you can see, for example, the Tuan here, as you can see, said, "Thank you for sharing this. I feel like I'm part of this result." And right here, you can see that all comes down to the whole process. Tuan also posted Fire 100. Hey, Tuan, thank you for the comment. Shafula, on the other hand, posted his 9 steps. He posted the keyword. So the software thanks you for a comment. I know you're crushing it too. And then you can see right here, hey, Shafula, thank you for commenting. Check your DM. So these ones right here are telling them to do something because he commented the keyword. You can see right here with Sarah. She commented 9 steps. Hi, Sarah. Thank you for commenting. Check your DM. Vanessa, 9 steps. Hey, Vanessa, thank you for the comment. And then, of course, this one obviously didn't catch the keyword there, but that's okay. We can look into that. Here you can see there's another one, comment to the 9 steps, check your DM. And this will automatically post these messages here and then automatically send a DM to the individual who posted that particular comment. And the same thing, if they don't use the keyword, it's just going to comment whatever it is that you had there. And obviously, you're not going to have them check their DM. You're going to thank them or kind of just share that you acknowledge that. Because remember, when you post on your own wall, it actually increases the engagement on that post as well. More and more people will be able to see that. And you have an automated system now that's going to be able to do that for you on autopilot. All you need to do is just go into the application, click the play button on the post that you have in there, and it will automatically search those posts and automatically comment on those individuals. There's a little bit about it. This is probably, I would argue that this is one of the most complex features inside of the Messenger Pro tool. But it's not that complex, but it does have varying degrees of setup that you will have to keep a track of when you're going through that. You can see right here in our message templates that we have our no keyword comments, our direct message comments with the 9 steps, and our intro comments right here. This is how this is all getting set up. Like I said earlier, don't worry. In the next video, we're actually going to show you how to get this set up so that you can begin using it right away. The only difference that you'll need to do is make sure that your keywords and those things are put into each of these segments to make it work the way that it is supposed to. So hopefully that gets you really excited here about the not the 9 steps, but the engage features inside of the Messenger Pro application, and show you how much time you can actually save without having to go searching for all of your posts that you've created. All you need to do is set them up inside the Messenger Pro app. It's really simple to do. All you need to do is choose the post that you've created, click on the 3 dots, choose the setup engagement. You can see right here, this is the basics of setting it all up. Type a title. The pause right here, what this is going to do for every X amount of comments. So let's say, for example, you post 2 comments. The software is going to search for 2 comments. It's going to send it's going to reply to those comments, and then it's going to pause. It's going to wait for 5 minutes, and then it's going to go 2 more, and it's going to wait for 5 minutes. In this particular case, it would be 3 more. We can go 4 more. We can go 5 more. Just know that each time the pause happens, there's a 5-minute wait, and then the software will begin to run again for that number of engagements. And all of these things are really designed to help you get more out of your engagement on Facebook. Now, you want to title it, obviously. You want to choose the tag that is appropriate for that particular post. And then right here, sending the direct message to the default and or the target default message, you can hover over these little tooltips. So this is going to send a message to people who respond with something other than the keyword. And this is going to send a message to people who reply with the target keyword. And then again, you have your message segments in here, the keywords that you want the software to look for. And remember just to use different variations of potential keywords that a person might use when they're doing that. In our particular case, 9 hyphen steps, 9 space steps, and 9 no space and steps. And that's what we actually put on that post. And then right here, you can see that the reply is going to go out, and then this will actually reply to those default comments as well. So this is basically easy to set up. There's just a lot to think about. That's actually why we're going to be giving you the framework for this, your first engagement post. And that's going to be in the next video, and I'll see you there. Have a great day.